be sad to see you go, my man.
Thank you. I appreciate you saying that.
No, everybody. I mean, the whole band feels that way.
Well, I'm sure the new guy's going to work out just fine.
Oh, yeah. Well,
What about a solo career? I mean, you got a great voice, you got great lyrics, and you got a huge following. I mean, if you want, I can make a few phone calls and we can take a few meetings.
Thanks. I appreciate you saying that, but I'm just going to call the police for now.
Go ahead. Break my heart. Break my heart, James.
come on, give us out. Back? Hey, man, you stay in touch.
I will.
Huh?
Take care.
Yeah. Love you, man.
You want to see Mary and Jamie?
Yeah, that's us.
I've got your names from the hospital. I'm Jamie, baby's father.
Oh, yeah. Jamie, the musician.
Yeah, afraid so. Look, I know I signed a release. I really don't have a leg to stand on here, but I'd like to see the baby.
But we never got the baby. And it was hard for us.
But I guess giving birth changed everything for Nora. Anyhow, she changed her mind.
Yeah, you didn't know?
No. No, I didn't.
So you didn't know that she named her Jamie?
That's, I'm gonna let you get back to work. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, gotcha.
Jamie, you know what? I think maybe you should talk to Nora. Hold on, I'll get her gas.
Oh, no.